Hey guys, my name is Naza, and today I'm going to show you how to keep your Hamster Kombat safe and how to guarantee yourself a juicy airdrop. With a huge rise of Hamster Kombat popularity, more and more people are actually starting to try and game the system by creating auto clickers, using bots, or creating multiple accounts on one device. But in my opinion, this is not the best strategy because big projects with a big budget like Hamster Kombat have a really good bot and spam detection, and I think all this effort could actually give you zero. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to keep your account safe, and I will show you a few of the things that you are doing wrong, and actually these things can get your account banned. So the first one is actually using multiple accounts on one device in one location using the same IP. And this is actually one of the easiest ways to actually flag your account if you have multiple accounts running in the same location using one IP. For example, if you're logged into the same SIM card, 4G, or for example, Wi-Fi in the same house, and you have like 20 accounts running. This is a big red flag, and I think account could actually be flagged and actually banned. And of course, this way you're earning zero. And for this reason, I recommend everyone using VPN or a proxy service. Basically, this will help you hide the fact that you're creating multiple accounts in the same location. And for example, if you're using proxies, you can create a limited amount of accounts. Actually, I have a full video about it. You can find in the description. But if you have 3 or 5 accounts, I think you're safe. If you're connected to one Wi-Fi, it's more for people who are creating 20 plus accounts. So next red flag is auto clickers. And of course, lots of people with the Hamster Kombat accounts are using them. I see it all over TikTok. I see it all over Twitter, YouTube. People are like posting multiple accounts using auto clickers. And I think this is a really big no-no. And of course, this can also get your account flagged and you're going to miss out on the airdrop. So for example, if you open the Hamster Kombat app and if you click on the circle in different places, you can see that actually the app can detect where you are clicking. So the server and the app actually knows where you're clicking, what pixels are you clicking, and what's the time like the difference between the clicks. And basically any bot detection will see that you are using auto clicker because it's clicking the same pixels and there is like the same time difference between the clicks. So if you actually still want to use auto clickers, there is a way you could actually automate them to click in the different locations, to change the time between the clicks. But again, I think it is not recommended because you're not getting that many points. And of course, the risk is super high. That's why I recommend you to actually click manually or just like earn normally. And some people might ask why I'm doing this video. And the reason is because with the Hamster Kombat right now, we have hundreds of millions of accounts and the number is growing so fast. And everyone waits for this magical airdrop, this free money. And of course, if we have so many accounts, it's getting impossible to actually pay everyone. And I think Hamster Kombat will do the right thing and they're going to ban all of these spam accounts, bot accounts. And of course, this is good for the users who are actually using the app organically as it's meant to be. And if you're trying to scam the system, bot the system, game the system, I think you will not get the airdrop. That's why I'm doing this video, because I don't want people actually wasting their time. So use the app as it intended. And also guys, don't forget, because on this channel, I'm doing daily combos and daily ciphers for the Hamster Kombat. So subscribe and see you next time.